Should be going now, I think. Can you see it? Big.
Oh, silly.
It worked.
Zooming in. Said it was like tearing paper on the internet.
Like tearing paper?
Yeah.
It's easy.
Could have a go.
Look, done it already.
Would you have?
Oh,
I thought it'd be funnier than that.
that is amazing. It will be if it hits me on the head.
Yeah.
That was the funny bit.
Oh my god.
It's funny, isn't it? Wow. Oh God! That was a bit. How did you get that? You get it?
Yeah.
That was a bit.
Oh god.
I didn't even saw that.
Didn't you?
No. I didn't even saw that bit. It come off.
Nipple.
Oh, that's good. Oh, that is fantastic. Do you want to go?
Yeah. Oh god. Not me. What shall I call it?
What shall I?